Okay, we've rounded this down, shaved it down with our Dremel here. So now we're going to take our sanding disc and we're going to smooth it down a little bit more. Then we'll use our palm sander on it to further smooth it out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. You see how that smooths it out much more. So we're going to go away around the whole thing and do that. Then we'll use our palm sander and give the whole thing a once over. And then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.